Here are my top 10 writing prompts for beginners. The first one is your favorite holiday. So you can talk about what was your best vacation or holiday that you've been on. The second prompt is talking about your best friend. So you can describe them, what they're like, what their hobbies are, their family, that kind of thing. The third writing prompt for beginners is what you would do if you won the lotto. If you won $1 million, how would you spend it? The fourth one is what is your favorite movie, TV show, or book? You can describe it briefly and then talk about why you like it so much. The next writing prompt is seasons. What is your favorite season and why? What is your least favorite season and why? The sixth writing prompt is what is your perfect day? So describe when you wake up, what you would eat, who you'd be hanging out with, what you would be doing, and then just go until the evening. The next writing prompt is talk about your family. So describe the people in your family, what they like to do, what they look like, that kind of thing. The next writing prompt is your daily routine. So start with when you wake up, what do you do? Then what do you do next? What do you do until lunchtime? What do you do in the afternoon? And what do you do in the evening before bed? The next writing prompt is talking about your favorite food or your favorite restaurant, and you can talk about why you like it so much. You could also talk about what kinds of food you don't like. The final writing prompt for beginners is your dream job. So if you're working at your dream job right now, you could talk about that. If you're not, you could talk about what your dream job is. Okay, so those are my writing prompts for beginners. Please be sure to hit like, subscribe, and catch you next time. Bye, everybody.